It is day 48 of the 44, of the protests, and farmers are taking out several tractor marches today. The tractor rally against farm laws started from Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh towards Palwal in Haryana. The protesting farmers from all Delhi borders are converging on the eastern and western peripheral expressway for their 20-kilometer-long march. More tractors are arriving from Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Tikri and Singhu border. The farmers are mobilizing for the big agitation, which is expected to take place on 26th of January. The tractor march comes a day ahead of another round of talks with the government. More than 40 farm unions are protesting against the 3 farm laws passed by the government along Delhi's border. They have met senior central ministers 8 times, but the meetings have not solved the differences.
ट्रैक्टर रैली चलेंगे, लेकिन आज रिहर्सल है और 26 तारीख की ये तैयारी है एक किस्म से।
कहां से कहां तक आपका दौरा रहेगा?
ये यहाँ से रहेंगे, हम डासना जाएंगे, डासना से फिर अलीगढ़ रोड पर जाएंगे और अलीगढ़ रोड पर वहाँ रुकेंगे, वहाँ लंगर भंडारा होगा, फिर वहाँ से वापसी आएंगे। ये रहेगा।
तो नोएडा वाले जो ट्रैक्टर हैं सारे उनको कैसे?
वो नोएडा वाले ट्रैक्टर आगे जाएंगे, वे पलवल तक जाएंगे। ये 2 पार्ट में कराए क्योंकि 130 किलोमीटर के आसपास बैठता है ये यहाँ से, और अगर पलवल हम जाएंगे तो लंबा बैठता है, तो इनको 2 हिस्सों में कर दिया इसको।
क्या कुछ आपकी तैयारी है प्रशासन की तरफ?
ये तैयारी पूरी है ट्रैक्टर रैली को लेकर के। जहाँ पे हाईवे पे जहाँ कट है हर जगह ड्यूटियां लगाई गई हैं और जो इनकी रैली निकल रही है उसमें भी जगह जगह ड्यूटियां लगाई हैं, जिससे कि कहीं कोई दिक्कत ना आए।
खास तौर पर चूंकि केएमपी एक मुख्य सड़क है जोड़ने की, यहाँ से डासना जाएंगे और डासना से फिर केएमपी पे चलेंगे, तो क्या आज लगता है ट्रैफिक को लेकर के भी कोई अवरोध होगा? किस तरीके की तैयारी उसको लेकर?
नहीं, प्रत्येक जगह जहाँ पे ऐसी कोई संभावना है वहाँ पे डाइवर्जन लगाया गया।
आगे के लिए जिस तरीके से संख्या बढ़ रही है किसानों की, उसको लेकर के क्या इंतजाम आपके पास?
नहीं, आगे भी शांतिपूर्ण ही रहेगा, सारी व्यवस्थाएं हैं, शांतिपूर्ण ही चलेगा आगे भी।
From Tiranga to tractor, every color you will see at the protest site right now at the Gazipur border, where there is a tractor rally going on, and that will lead from Gazipur towards Palwal through KMP highway, which is also known as Eastern and Western Peripheral Highway. You can see several of the tractors are lined up right now here with the tricolor, with the Tiranga and with different flags. And there is a plan to march towards several points towards KMP. We have Mr. Vic with us. Mr. Vic, what are your plans? क्या आप लोगों का प्लान है?
देखिए, आज देश के संयुक्त मोर्चे का कार्यक्रम था, जिसके अंदर आज देश का किसान जहां पूरे देश में रिहर्सल परेड करेगा, वहीं इन मोर्चों पर जो किसान आज बैठा है वो ट्रैक्टर लेकर जो केएमपी है दिल्ली का आउटर रिंग रोड, उस पर बड़ी संख्या में तिरंगा लगाकर रिहर्सल परेड कर सरकार को संदेश देगा कि 26 तारीख का ये एक ट्रेलर है। 26 तारीख को देश का लाखों किसान दिल्ली के अंदर, एक तरफ देश का जवान परेड करेगा, एक तरफ देश का किसान परेड करेगा।
तो show you that on several tractors, almost all the tractors, there is a Tiranga flag which is fluttering right now, and there is a different flag which is the farmers' own flag, and you can see that here is written Kisan Ekta Morcha Gazipur. Kale Kanun Wapas Lo means they want the black law, the 3 laws which have been passed by Parliament. Those should be repealed.
Ashutosh is now joining us live on the Farm Law Showdown. Ashutosh, walk our viewers through what's going on here in the national capital. It's the day 44 of the protest. The tractors have taken over the highways as well. There's no headway in the talks between the farmers and the centre as well. What really is the plan of action of the farmers now, a day before the talks, another round of talks tomorrow?
Well, Chaiti, we know the ice hasn't melted between the government and the farmers, and that's exactly why they want. The agitation not only will continue, but will also escalate. And now the farmers have hit the street, and this is a strategy to mount a pressure on the government. And that's exactly why the farmers, if we can take you to 180-degree visuals on the peripheral expressway, that's in a huge number. Farmers have started taking this march, and that's actually not even a parade. That the farmers say this is a rehearsal, as they have a strategy to take out similar parade with the tractors on the Republic Day. While India will celebrate its Republic Day, the farmers will also say that they will take part in their own, and that's why the farmers from different states have hit the street, this peripheral expressway. Look at the number of these tractors, that how they are moving from Singhu to Tikri border, and now these farmers are en route towards Singhu border. From Singhu to Tikri border, and farmers from Tikri border will come to Singhu border. The strategy that the farmers are saying is only to mount pressure as they are rigid on their demands. So far, 8 rounds of talk have happened, but all have been inconclusive. Now the farmers look at the peripheral expressway. One side traffic indeed has been obstructed. The police has put diversion where the common vehicles can use the traffic from the other side. 9th round of talk is expected, where the farmers believe that will be a decisive moment. But for now, if you remember, on the anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose, the farmers have also announced they will be carrying the governor houses in different states. So all these strategies that they have adopted is only to mount the pressure on the government. So far as protest is concerned, has been peaceful. No incident of violence has been reported. And that what the farmers say, it is their strength that they have maintained a peaceful protest. But for now, hitting the street with these number of tractors, and remember, these tractors are not that, those were stationed at Singhu or Tikri border. They have come overnight from different states to take part in this parade. They have been training for it. In fact, there are women drivers that they have been training in different states who will be also participating on the Republic Day if that parade happens. And that's exactly why they have called this rehearsal on the KMP Expressway. Chaiti.
Absolutely, Ashutosh. You're getting us that ground report right there. Ashutosh putting himself right into the thick of things, getting us up to speed with the tractor rally, joining us with the tractors, with the farmers right there. Ashutosh, on 11, the Supreme Court is also going to be taking up the matter where the petitioner has challenged the constitutional validity of these particular farm laws as well. On the other side, you've got the farmers who are protesting, not willing to relent, no headway being made into talks as well. What is the sense that you're picking up from the farmers? Looks like they're going to take this over till the end, till all their demands are met with, Ashutosh.
जाने दो, गाड़ी जाने दो, गाड़ी जाने दो इसको. Clear that after several rounds of talk, the farmers are not even ready for any amendments. Saying if the government believes amendments are required, why not repeal these laws? Why not roll back these laws? And that's the farmers are given this perspective, that if government willing to roll back these amend these laws, why not rolling back? At the same time, the farmers are also saying that so far the government hasn't given any even in principle assurance that there will be law on ensuring MSP for their crops. And that's exactly now going to be another biggest contention, if at all some positive developments take in perspective of these farmers. And exactly why, look at the senior citizen, if you say, young men and also the senior citizens. But Baba ji, कितने दिन और आज ये जो शक्ति प्रदर्शन आपने किया है, क्या संदेश देंगे गवर्नमेंट को?
ये संदेश हम दे रहे हैं, ये ट्रेलर है, वो फिल्म दिखाएंगे 26 जनवरी को। अब समझिए ना आप।
अभी एक राउंड की बातचीत और बाकी है, जो 9वें राउंड की।
हाँ।
आपको लग रहा है उसमें कुछ उम्मीद निकलेगी? रास्ता
निकलने वाला नहीं है। उस खाली सरकार चुनचुना चुनका रही है, डेट पे डेट दे रही है, उसमें कुछ
ये करने को लंबा खींचना सरकार चाहती है।
आप कितने दिन के लिए तैयार हैं यहाँ पर?
हम 2 साल के लिए निकले 2024 तक।
इस शक्ति प्रदर्शन में कितने ट्रैक्टर हिस्सा ले रहे हैं?
इसमें ट्रैक्टर 3000।
3000 यहाँ
3000 ट्रैक्टर यहाँ पे है।
और ये वही है जो यहाँ खड़े थे या ये बाहर से आए?
नहीं, बाहर से कोई नहीं आया, अभी पंजाब से आने बाकी हैं। वो 26 जनवरी को पूरी तैयारी से आएंगे।
You heard these farmers, that they are here for a long haul. In any case, if government doesn't agree on their demands, that's what they have been saying. And that's exactly why they show strength on this peripheral express when there couldn't have been any other, road for such power strength. And that's why they chose this peripheral expressway. And look at these numbers. I can also see men, women, young boys, senior citizens, everyone taking part in such in this parade, and if you call it a power show actually by these farmers. What I have seen also on the agitation side, Chaiti, if you remember, the weather has been playing a spoiler role for these farmers for last few days because of the western disturbance. The farmers have also now started erecting semi-permanent structures, including a waterproof tents that we have seen in political rallies, mass scale of bigger rallies. that are being put on the education
Yes.
side. So one side they are preparing for a long haul. They are getting, reinforcement, getting.
All right, Ashutosh. Ashutosh is getting us that ground report right there, as you can see on your screens right now, on the 20-kilometer tractor rally that has been planned by the farmers as well. Ashutosh is on top of the story. He'll continue getting us all the updates, more reactions coming in from the farmers from Ground Zero as we go along the way. Thanks, Ashutosh, for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.